How's she going? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Boys, I'm glad you dropped in today because it's a gorgeous day at the lake today. It wasn't too good this morning. Looked like it was going to rain. Kind of cloudy, but she cleared off really nice, and it's gorgeous out right now. I don't even think I need my shirt on, but you never know. Anyways, today's project is back at the shelter for the attachments and whatnot for the tractor. I fixed that end wall in it the other day. Well, now we're going to go tackle the rest of the walls, see if we can get them in good shape for the winter. So I have my snow blade and the snow blower. I already moved out the walk behind snow blower and the lawnmower and whatnot. A few other things in there. A blade I have for my ATV, and of course my metal storage rack and my carry-all. I have to move that out, and then I'd like to rake all the leaves out of here. So to move my snow blower and the plow and whatnot out, I'm gonna get my tractor geared up and do that because it's easier. So one of the things I do when I bring my tractor in is I take this post out so that I have easier access with the tractor. And I was telling you the other day in the video how easy it is to take these posts out. So first of all, I just knock the block away at the bottom, push this button, there. That's just how easy that is. Pretty good, eh? So I took the post out of here. Now I'm going to move my carry-all out. And what I usually do for this, although there's quite a lot of junk in it, I don't know if I get it, but I put a ratchet strap around just to hold it against the dolly. And then I flip it up and pull it out. But there's just not enough room to get in here with the tractor, so that's why I have to do it this way. Let's see how I make out here. Oh yeah. We can do it. Now the fun starts. Have to rake up the leaves. So I'm going to take this back wall out now. So that's just held on like with tie wraps. So just going to cut the tie wraps. So all the tie wraps I saved on wiring up the tractor shelter, they're going away today. I just remember too, along the top of that little knee wall, I just put a little furring strip just to make sure that that outside tarp stayed tight against the knee wall. So I have to take that off too. So the grommets go at the top. Okay, that'll hold that up there. I have a line here securing the tarp down, but I forgot to run the wall tarp behind it, so I have to take this off. The way I have it tied on here, I was anticipating having to remove it, so it's just a couple of half hitches. If I can get them unhooked, it should come apart. So that's going to go in there like that. So there it is. I have to tell you that this is not a brand new piece of tarp, right? That's why there's holes in it. That's why it's so dirty and wrinkled up. This tarp had been on the temporary shelter that I had for the tractor for probably 4 years before I changed it. So, you know, it's got some age on it, but it's going to be doing good here just to block the wind and the rain. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting tie wraps along the top. I think I'm going to double tie wrap it just so that it won't break free again, or delay the breaking free, and then we'll see how it looks after that. Alright, so there's my back wall. Well, for the most part it's in place. I have to put the batten boards, those you see them right along the sill there. I'm going to put those on the outside just to secure the tarp along the top of the knee wall, and then I have to put some securing lines from the grommets down to the bottom of the posts. But for the most part, I got my back wall in place. Didn't finish the job today, but yeah, it doesn't take me long to do a day's work anymore. I'm going to knock off now, go in and have some supper, and then maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to be cold tomorrow, cold and windy. But I'll try and get that end wall finished up. We'll see how we make out then. So I finished up there last night and I'm back out this morning. What a difference in temperature, boys. I'm telling you, it went from balmy to brr. But anyway, what I'm up here this morning, I got these little nailer strips. The idea is pull this down tight and then just screw these to the top rail of this knee wall that I have. Eh? That's kind of the plan, and then that just holds the whole wall down tight. So we start with this first one. And center these between the posts. Pull the wall down tight. Then we go from there. So I was talking about putting the ropes on just to anchor it to the sill plate that I have around the outside perimeter of the shed. I think I'm going to hold off on that because it's kind of cold and windy today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this end wall. I'm going to try and get that squared away and re-tie wrapped in place. And then once I have the wall in place, then I'll look at putting the securing lanyards on it, the ropes. Well, it wasn't easy, but I got that end wall set in place. Trying to work around the metal rack here. Kind of sketchy. So I started moving the stuff around here, the attachments, just after dinner. It was probably 12:30. It's probably getting on to 3 o'clock now. And look at it. It's winter here at the lake. So I think you could consider this maybe cruel and unusual punishment when it starts snowing the 1st of November. Just not fair, is it? But, you know, you got to have miserable weather for Remembrance Day, or just not Remembrance Day. Anyway, I think I got everything packed away there in the shelter. Wait till I just show you what I got set up. So I was wanting to get everything packed away here before the snow flies, and I guess I missed by a day. So I've got just about everything packed in here again. Summer gear is way in the corner, so I won't be getting that out for a while. I'll get the walk-behind snowblower, which I rarely use, but that's easy access. My back blade is behind the chipper, and the chipper is set up so I can just back in, hook up with the quick attach, so I can move the chipper out in short order. If I need my carrier, I've got the dolly on it there, so I can just tip that up and roll that out on the dolly. It's easy to do. I still have my posts to put in, but they go in quite easy. And then this empty spot here, I'm going to put the loader in there. And then once the loader is in, I can slide my trailer in underneath the loader. That fits under there, no problem. And then I'll have the snowblower on the back of the tractor and the blade on the front of the tractor. So that means I've got a spot for everything under cover. So that's good. That's what I was after. I just wanted to get it done before the snow game. Old man Winter, boys, he's here already. He beat me. I wanted to get that shelter cleaned up and finished before the snow flies. Missed it by a day. Oh well. Thanks for watching, folks. Let me know what you think of the video. Don't forget, thumbs up me. And if you haven't done so, you can subscribe. I wouldn't mind that at all. And I hope wherever you are, it's not snowing. Take care, folks. Have a great week. We'll talk to you.